So here's a wee rundown on my wee reasons for doing this. It's all about saving fuel. This is my wee diesel Skoda Fabia. They're now showing you my average MPG over the past kind of 1,000 or so miles. The scooter should be not far off trebling some of these figures. If you like what you see, give us a wee like, check us and subscribe. Cheers. So that's my average over about the past 1,000 miles, something like that. In fact, it'll tell me this over 59 hours, 1,200 miles. So it's averaging 53.4. Okay, so just back from the dealership, had a little seat on a PCX and on a Forza. Went through the ordering options and all that, dealt with Jim, Victor Devine, he was sound, showed me what was available colour wise and time wise, and end result is that the PCX125 has been ordered in red and should be here in July, so happy days. Just need to go in or deal with the last bits of paperwork over the phone. Also took the service plan at £299 for the first 3 years services, so that'll be it for that. Cheers. Okay, so the actual order process itself, nice and simple so far. It's not been 100% sorted yet, but we've done the initial stuff. Went in, sat down with Jim, had a good wander round about. Thankfully the day I was in, they had a Forza 125, which was the previous model, but it's close enough. In fact, no, they had a brand new one in the showroom that I could actually swing a leg over and have a seat on. Man, that's a big bike for a 125. That's an expensive bike for a 125 as well. And they also had a used PCX125 in, which I was able to get a quick seat on as well for size. So after that, I just decided to pull the pin and go for it, ordered the PCX. Sat down with Jim, he took me through a couple of basics, explained the process, went and checked the stock order sheet, see what the availability is for stock. Thankfully they had one in the colour, I wanted the red one. So got a red one coming and it should be here in July. Unfortunately don't know when in July, but hopefully within the next week or so, maybe a bit better. So all I've done so far is I've paid initial 200 quid so you could order it, and I'm going to take the service plan as well for £299 for my first 3 years services. So we'll go back in about a week or so, going to sort out the finance and hopefully be able to get a bit more information on delivery date, etc. With a bit of luck I'll be able to get my registration number so I can get it insured, because my insurance company are only going to hold the slot for my second bike for about 2 weeks, so hopefully I'll get that sorted then as well. But nice and easy. Jim was great. The staff seemed really different today. They seemed a lot friendlier and everybody seemed happier and a bit kind of happier, really, you know, just like as if there was a weight off or something. It was strange. Maybe it was just a bad day when I've been in before, when I had my wee rant, who knows. But they were grand today, and like I say, I went in, ordered it all, and just waiting on the phone call now to get the details sorted. So grand.